Where? Greymoor. Sure, just take my money. Why not? Oh. It just puts it into strings for free. I like that. Another string, please. Thank you. Good thing I just did that. Man, I still keep the string. That's nice. Should I even go get my silk back? There's nothing really I want from it, but I might as well. Go back up. I already put all the effort to go up there. Oh. Wait, can I have my silk back? You are so annoying. Throwing the bells. Oh, that's the birds making that sound. Fill it up. Okay. Halfway home. Ah, well met, traveler. Looking for a drink, rest, or both?
Benny Frank.
Yeah, greetings, good bug. The warmth of your heart is welcome upon these wet plains. Breeze. I, stamp climb through these parts. Used to be just pilgrims trekking my way, but odd times these are. And you ain't even the strangest shell wandering about. A rowdy old warrior stopped through here Nongpak. Caused quite a scene, and now a young lass taken up lodging in my top room. The lass mentioned she's on the lookout for sharp types like yourself. Maybe pay her a visit if you haven't already. Pee pee poo poo! Ooh! New. Oh ma, sweet the price for new. You are adult, yes, fully grown, ready to hunt?
Nada.
I am certainly no child, young one. Perfect then. New must ask a wish. For her, you would seek Harlem's many fabulous bugs and cut them. Cut them with your blade. Cut them with your mature spirit. Cut them with your savage adult heart. Would you help New? Could you take her scroll and fill its pages with learning of your cut? Yes. I don't know what the heck that is. I think that's a crab. Oh ma, you make New so happy. Hunt down the creatures of this land and record them in this scroll. Obtained Hunter's Journal. Okay, this is just like the other one from Hollow Knight. I think that's a crab. She looks funny.
Tamirian.
Learn about the Nan's happiness is worthwhile undertaking. Perhaps you're among growth and you realize no. Ma, such list of praise book new shrivel. Go now, hunt and pray, and begin our learning. Oh, this is all the bugs I've already killed. Technical difficulties for a second. Screen wanted to turn off. Come on now. Nice. Manic Fencer to like the battle. Yeah, I'm about to fight you again. Hey, do you have anything for me?
There's a hole?
Okay, for a drink, traveler? Yeah.
Hello.
Interesting. Well, thank you for that, sir. Yes, I can make it into another strand. Sweet. Are these birds just everywhere? Bunch of bells. Chakra! Chakra! Where are you, girl? That's 5, girl. You and me against the world. Let me break one of these just because I know she's gonna map.
Has been?
Greetings, Chakra. You are a welcome sight amidst the sudden gloom of these caverns. Child-wielding needle, your aspect is still sharp. My respect remains. Heed a warning, many fierce bugs roost nearby. On the length beyond this cave nests a ragged horde atop an old water mound. Their mastery of flight makes them dangerous. My shell will forever carry the score of your deeds. If you're seeking a safer path, head back towards this land's core. Bro, I need another. Wait, they cost 80. I'm wasting 20 every time I make one. Oh, there was a whole lot more to the left. What's up, Lamb 2? What are you doing? So, referring to these, and it says that they're annoying because they fly. These are just... chat system, is it new? I don't think I changed anything. It's probably just working how it was supposed to, because it wasn't working right last time, so I turned it off. That's weird. Before it didn't have it that it played you guys. Weird. Oh, I know why, actually. Let me fix that. No, I think I want it that way. Actually, I'll leave it like that. Which spider? Which spider? There's a lot of spiders. Spider. The big spider? Steven. It's Steven, the spider. He hasn't been doing his job though. A lot of bugs in here. As you can tell. And look, they're on my screen. Oh shit, you get away from me. Heal up. Oh, the video she posted about me? Yeah, she's the best. Don't let her tell you what it was. She's always in here listening to me. What? Chill up. Oh, that's a good amount of rosaries. Grab them. I can't grab anything right here. Oh god. I'm about to fight a bunch of dumb birds. Yo. Really? I can't lower the audio of that, but let me lower the audio of the game a little bit more. There we go. What's up, Jaime? It'll feel like. Going good? Find a bunch of birds. How's it going with you? I got more. I just lowered it. Thank you for letting me know, though. You're the only person that comments on it, so glad you're being attentive. More birds! I'm gonna die to these birds. Oh my gosh, these guys. No, I'm still trying to figure out how to turn it off. Dang it. Did not want to do that. No, don't do it automatically. No. Back my death. It's gonna turn it off for a second. Yeah, it still reads the GIFs. I'm trying to figure out how to get it to turn that off. Oh, I can have the sound from a specific application. What if I did do that? Wait, what? Oops. That'll be it. There we go. Should fix the chat read now. Sound good? Yeah, mine. Oh my gosh. Why is it not showing on my monitor? Because I disconnected the cord, of course. Technical difficulties, sorry. There we go. That worked. Thank you for letting me free. Give me all that. Easy. It's the money. It's and if you die, you lose them all. So I'm glad I actually got to get a good amount for once. Gosh, these counts really high. You. I hate you. Yes, you can name the bug. I just like calling him the Toki. If you have a name, go for it. Damn. Where am I going, man? I hear a flea. Dominicans. That's fine. I like that. Dominicans! It's been a while since I've seen him, actually, now that you mention it. birds away from me. Come down here. I know you're just gonna fight me. Just bounced you really high. Yeah, that's not happening. I might platinum it still, but usually with what I do with Hollow Knight 2 is just the first time I go around, I just want to enjoy it and not worry about time. Can't get up there. Dang. Oh, I believe it. The platforming is already harder than it was in Hollow Knight, like as a whole. Like obviously, the regular platforming isn't like Path of Pain, but like this stuff, the bouncing is so much more complex than just like the regular pogoing, because it goes in an angle, so it's like headache and a half sometimes. Oh gosh. Come here. Yeah, Chakra is right. They're annoying. Over here, man. God. Oh. Damn it. Like, just this bouncing stuff is rough, but I know it's mostly just a skill issue because I haven't got the hang of it yet. Damn it. I wish there was like a button for it instead of having to hold down, because holding down feels weird. At least in my personal experience. I say that when I literally just did this first try. When I did it the first time, and now I'm gonna die to it. Oh, thank God. Get me out of here. Where am I going, man? Ah, yes. Another upgrade. My ancestors! Daughter of a distant land, who have remained have waited long. Bind our strength to yours, obtain the future of our haunted kingdom. Yeah, you told me this already. Hold on, I got an upgrade. Red Storm. Press RB, attack whipping starts a silk around oneself. Boy, you don't back off. What y'all know about this? This is the best way to drink soda. Refreshing. And I got some. Jump Alfredo. It's over. Nobody could stop me. Oh, it's that move that she had in Hollow Knight. Really cool. Glad they let you use it. So I guess I did what I needed to do up here. Ooh. I actually got one. I believe I've done everything I need to. Well, it honestly wasn't before this. I just got this upgrade, but it's kind of funny. She looks really funny while she does this. Another string. Like my voice or the game? Huh? My screen? Like my camera? What do you mean by you? My voice? How I look? Okay, so the camera. Just restart it. Let's do that fix it. How do I... Actually, how do I get back? Fishes. Yeah, of course. I just need to find somewhere I can rest. I'm very lost. I'm like, how do I get out of here? I hate you so bad. Don't lie, you have played. Come on now, I know you. Oh, this game. I was gonna say you never played DVD. I was like, don't be lying. I'm severely lost. There's nowhere I can go up there, so that's my problem. Unless I missed something. But I'm pretty sure I didn't. Like, pretty how does one... What? Oh, this. Damn, too bad. Not good. And a bench. And a bench, baby. Thought I ever had these cookies. These cookies are good. We're not a Halloween on there. I will say I don't think there's anything I can do about that other than ending stream. But my stream's gonna end in the next couple minutes, so probably just gonna keep going. Yeah, already started then. Oh, she's gone. Oh, this is just right here. Yeah, that's fine. I like that. Well, I think I'm gonna go back down. No, I'm not. The stream DVD imply 10 minutes. Fine. Bell station. So I can find, what is their name? Jamiticus. Get out of here. Wait, there's an area up there. Let me go check that real quick. I'll make that. Ooh. Should I bring him to life too? We're gonna play it. We're gonna play 2v8. Damn it. Damn it. Oh. Almost died to that guy. I'm predicting that it's gonna be that there's a spider at the top that wants to get rid of the other spider or steal spider powers or whatever. Because all these enemies are getting controlled by Silk. What was that? Alright. Bell station. That's all I wanted. Ada! What's up, Dominicus? That's what I like to hear, man. What's the closest one to Hunter's March? It's the one in Deep Docks. That's what Lemtu wanted the name to be. Dominicus. Has a ring to it. Dominicus. I just realized I got a skill and I haven't equipped it. Oh my gosh. I'm washed streamer? Doesn't know what I'm doing? I'm washed? I know, right? It's fire. Oh, this is like a whole new thing. Hold on. Don't do that. Go to the Hunter's March. That's what I came here for. Go up there and teach them some manners because those ants don't know who's the boss around here. Then I'll come back. But first off, let me equip you. I am so the boss. I'm not talking to you. Bro hit me from all the way over there. Oh my god. Back up. Alright, now I'll go. This way. Yes. Far field. Oh, I didn't unlock this from the other time. I should have done that. Boom, boom. Oh man, and now I can conquer this. Because I can float! I hate you. Alright. Perfect. Up I go! Oh, but I can't go farther than this. As far as I know, this other room had nothing in it. Well, going down. I can go this way now. Let's go. Up. Boss fight to end it off, huh? Fight the ant boss. Show him some manners. Chapel of the Beast. Is that not what I'm doing? Am I doing something else? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ooh. Why'd I have to lock in when I'm almost dead? Perfect. That guy looks really mad. I'm gonna make him madder. Yeah, by running myself into him. Yeah. I'm stupid. Well, I think that is a good place to end it off. I'll come back next time and I'll beat the Savage Beast Fly, but for now I'm gonna just call it. I've been all over the place. I meant to just come back up here and do that fight, but I went through this whole area. I finished Deep Docks. No, I didn't. I didn't do that. And I went all the way up here, and I only stopped myself because I was like, man, I'm never gonna come back over here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna switch gears. But see you guys in the next one.